Welcome back, my dear students. As you all know, we have already started a new chapter of history, that is chapter number 7, Tribes, Nomads and Settled Communities. The first part of the chapter is already completed. In today's class, we will be studying about the tribe, that is Bhils. Okay, so the Bhils are considered as the third largest and most widely distributed tribal groups in the India. The name Bhil was probably derived from the word Vilu or Bilu, which is most Dravidian languages in the world for bow. Okay, the bow has long been a characteristic weapon of Bhil because the tribesmen always carry their bows and arrows with them. Okay, so they always carry their bows with them. The Bhil tribes inhabit some of the most remote and accessible areas of India. There are two divisions of Bhils. First one is the central of pure Bhils and the eastern of Rajput Bhils. Okay, so there were two divisions of the Bhils also. First was pure Bhils and second was the eastern or the Rajput Bhils. The central Bhils is live in the mountain regions of the state of Madhya Pradesh regions, Gujarat and Rajasthan. They are known for connecting the link between the Gujaratis and the Rajasthanis and are one of the largest tribal communities of India. Okay, so they are the largest tribal communities of India. They speak Bhuli, which is an Indo-Aryan language. Okay, so this was all about the Bhils, their languages and what the armory they had in their uh, group. Okay, next is the Gaddi tribe. The Gaddi are a tribe living mainly in the Indian states of Himachal Pradesh. Okay, so they are mainly present in the Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir. As of 2001, the Gaddi were classified as scheduled tribe and under the Indian government's reservation program of positive discrimination. This classification applied through Jammu and Kashmir and in certain parts of Himachal Pradesh. Okay, as you all know, the Gaddi was a tribe living mainly in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir, and as of 2001 the Gaddi were classified as scheduled tribe. Okay, so till 2001 they were considered as scheduled tribe under the Indian government's reservation program of positive discrimination. This classification applied through Jammu and Kashmir and in certain parts of Himachal Pradesh. A step forward in our Indian tribal tour takes us to the Santhal tribe, which has a population of more than 49,000. Santhal tribes are the third largest tribes in the India. Okay, so they are the third largest tribe termed as Santhal tribe. Okay, belonging to pre-Aryan period, these tribes of India are found in regions of West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Jharkhand. So these tribes are mainly found in the parts of West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Jharkhand. Many call them as the tribes at extreme. A visit to their place will surely get your money's worth. Okay, means their culture and their eating habits or their lifestyle will very much impress you. Okay, Santhal tribes of India takes pride in their past. Historically, these Indian tribes were at front end and against Britishers, and their heroics against Lord Cornwallis and was very well known. Many famous personalities ties such as Sidhu and Baba Tilka Majhi were part of this enthusiastic tribes of India. So their communities or their tribes was very much prominent during the freedom struggle against the Britishers, and many famous personalities such as Sidhu and Baba Tilka Majhi were the enthusiastic tribes of India.